Hello everyone, this is Lily, and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to show you how to remove contacts in Messenger. So let's get started right away. I'll be using my Android device, but the process should be similar for an iOS device as well. So let's go ahead and launch our Messenger app, which should automatically log you in once you open it up. And here are all of my chats, and whenever I want to see what's going on, I can select People to see who is active right now. You can also tap Stories over here to see new stories. Simply put, all of the contacts that you might have on your Messenger are the friends that you still have on your Facebook account. But if you've added someone or are having a chat with someone who isn't a friend on Facebook, they won't be here on your Messenger unless you've added them or something. To remove a contact from this, you must first remove them from your Facebook account. So you must first block someone from your Facebook account to be able to remove them from your Messenger. However, you can still delete any conversation by pressing and holding on their profile picture and then selecting Delete, which will simply delete their conversation. You can also mute them by pressing on their profile and then clicking over here, scrolling down a little bit, and then selecting either Ignore or Block. And these are the only options for deleting them from here. So, if you delete someone or remove a contact from your Messenger, you should be aware that it will also be removed from your Facebook profile. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick and simple tutorial videos like this one. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. And as always, thanks for watching.